Radhe Radhe, Jai Shri Krishna. I am going to tell about scripture. Our inner, everyone has two wolves. Wolf means will dog, that means fox, jackal. One good wolf, other one bad wolf. That means positivity and negativity. Who has good wolf? Always hopeful, optimistic, enthusiasm, activeness, passionate, calm, peace, satisfied, enlightened, self aware. How can I help the people? How can I help the situation? And 24/7 reading book, determinator, determination, commitmenter, good commitmenter, accepting ideas of other, intense hard work, good hard worker. Anything thrown at him, they can immediately convert into their prosperity. Always thinking about prosperity instead of poverty, and help the people. Self-aware totally. A self-aware person never do public and private mistake. And I'm always recommended be good wolf, good wolf. And our year, just once year, and there you can get good wolf or bad wolf. And otherwise, who has bad wolf? All the time 24/7, always competitive means comparing each other. I am the best, I have ornament, I have vehicle, I have property, bank balance. Always start to competing to others. Procrastination has nothing to do with being lazy. Always being lazy, egoistic, cruel and arrogant, and start to feel jealous after thinking other property, and feel jealous. And how could I capture other property? And this negative thought, filled by totally negative thoughts, and he's around always negative person, negative people, backbiter, stealing, capturing, corruptioner, many things around here. So you need to choose which type of wolf you need to give your chair, because here only one chair, like a prime minister chair. Every country prime minister or president chair is one. Which type of people you get, that is your decision. You can design so that rethinking, redesign your goal. Which type of wolf you adapt. If you good wolf, positivity, if you adapt, you always be compassion, passionate, activeness. If you adapt bad wolf, that is negativity, you always cruel, arrogant, angry, start to feel jealous, thinking other property. How could I capture? This says automatically open, because there is negative, that is bad wolf. You be active. So which type of wolf you are activating? More than more, you need to try. That be active your good wolf. In Bhagavad Gita, and there is also Bible. In Christian Bible also, there is two apple. There was two apple, one good apple and other one bad apple. good apple and other one bad apple. And Hawa and Adam, they had been a couple. There was for take caring an almighty garden. And Almighty always says, first of all, in my option, you shouldn't touch this. Good, there is two apple, bad apple and good apple, but don't touch it. And Almighty not locating this is good and this is bad, but there is two apple, one is bad and one is good, and you need to identify and then after have. But this couple unable to identify that is who is good and bad, just guess and had, and result negativity all over. But same thinking also here, Bhagavad Gita, there is two birds, one good and one bad, and same thinking. If you run according to bad birth, your life will be devastating. Always feel jealous, criticism, backbiting, everything, all type of negativities with you because you adopt bad birth. If you adopt good birth and always you satisfy, hopeful, compassion, intent hard work, determination, and accepting ideas of others. And this type of thought you have. If you adopt, that is good word. And that good word means your soul. And bad word means your mind. And good apple, bad apple. Bad apple, that is your mind. And good apple, that is your soul. And there is where in Bhagavad Gita, that is Chanchalahi Manaha Krishna Premarthi Balbadda Dhritam Tasyaham Nigram Manne Bayor Iva Suduskram. And Arjun question was, mind is playful, I am unable to control. I can control anything, even air. I can break this land and bring out water. Everything I can do, but I am unable to control this mind. That Arjun was, question was. That is your soul. Always patient, calm, satisfied, everything, hopeful, optimistic. That is your soul, and your mind is always playful. And Arjun unable to control his mind. And Bhagavad Gita question, there is I am unable to, my playful mind is always playful, I am unable to control, handle. How could I? And Krishna said, Asansayan Mahabhavo Manadur Nigrachalam Abhyasena tu Kunte Vairagyana se Grihati. Definitely Arjun, mind is playful, I made, but don't think too much, it's unable to control. You can control by practice. Practice again and again, practice. And after practice, you need to be that company who already mastermind, and then after you can. And there is your other question, Karmanyava Adhikaraste Ma Phalesu Kadachana Ma Karma Phala Heturvurma Te Sangastu Akarmani. That means you free to do work, bad work, good work, no one can bar. If you breach the rule of your nation, your house, they could be removed from there, and they could be punish you, but you are free. But result, that means fruitive, not in your hand. I will decide. Arjun, your duty is to be. Your duty is to perform your duty well. What to give, whether what to give, not to give, how much to give, I will decide. That means Almighty decide. Sometimes we are doing everything, but result always sadness, not happy, because our action was so bad. That is negative was. We need to think before do, think before have. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe.